source idea that will revolutionize the field of energy harvesting today. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the living TEG. So with all the available electronic gadgets in the market today, finding a source of power or an outlet to recharge them at any time proves to be a challenge, specifically while on a plane, while driving long distances, family camping, or when one is in a remote area and so on. The solution being proposed is to reuse the excess human body heat to generate electricity in order to recharge these devices, wherever you are, whenever you are. This is an extremely green solution and is very environmentally friendly. The bottom line, you become the outlet for all your energy needs. So, shown in the video above is a Peltier chip sandwiched between a heat sink and a metal bar submerged in ice-cold water. Due to the temperature gradient, an electric current is produced that runs the motor. So let's see what happens.
Just let it play, Nancy.
Okay, well, what was supposed to happen is the motor will start to run due to the electric current produced by the body heat. But let's take a more, let's take an example that's used more currently today.
We've seen it work before.
Yeah, okay, they can vouch for me. Well, the typical cell phone battery has the following battery specifications. It's about 5 volts, 3,000 milliamp hours, and the average power consumption is about 0.625 watts. Now on the other hand, the body produces about 116 watts of heat per hour on average. So based off these calculations and the video shown in this previous slide, it can be inferred that body heat is more than enough to power multiple small electronics objects at a time, such as cell phones and MP3 players. So let's take a look at the competition. Per my research, currently there is no commercial product available in the market today that provides such a capability. If we are the first to enter, we'll have a huge revenue potential, and this could quite possibly be the next big thing. And in addition to revolutionizing the way we live and think about energy, it also has the potential to stimulate the sluggish economy. So what is this business proposition worth? Well, here are the known facts. Fact 1, there are 7 billion people in the world. Fact 2, there are 6 billion cell phone subscribers today. Targeting only 10% of them at $49.99 per unit, it results in about $30 billion in revenue, considering only a fraction of a potential market. And consider this just a drop in the ocean of unlimited potential markets and possibilities. If just a drop could have such a huge impact, just imagine the impact of the entire ocean. So, as you can see, the potential markets we have explored have been categorized into 4 different sections: general content, general commerce, specialized content, and specialized commerce. We plan to release this product in phases. For initial rollout, it will be released in North America, primarily targeted at consumers in the areas of cell phones, MP3s, digital cameras, and laptops. Phase 2 will extend this product to Europe and Central and Latin America. And now that we have addressed the general content area, we would extend this product further into medical electronics and healthcare field in order to advance the human condition. This would include medical electronics such as hearing aids, pacemakers, blood pressure monitors, insulin injectors, and so on. This would be in addition to other electronics, such as emergency lighting systems. Phase 3 would include worldwide expansion, and it would include more specialized commerce areas, such as walkie-talkies, emergency radios, camping kits, etc. In the longer term, this could be extended to more specialized areas, such as the fire department, police, etc. It could be used to heat one's own room, or even one's own home in a hybrid home type mode. And it could also even be stored in efficient rechargeable batteries, which could then be used to, say, power one's own home, or even an entire neighborhood. So, what do I need to start up this business? Well, to launch this idea, I'd say I would need $250,000. And here's a chart that divides up the expenses. For research materials and negotiations with a semiconductor company to create a small semiconductor chip specialized for this purpose, it would be $55,000. Intellectual property rights and patent work would be $10,000. Accounting and legal, another $10,000, and advertising would take $100,000. We expect to break even within the first 6 months. Our primary marketing strategy will be to negotiate with the cell phone operators so that we can package and sell this product directly through them, and this will have much less hassle. In addition to this, we will have internet and TV ads in order to increase public awareness. So, in the final analysis, here is our vision for a future. Imagine, just imagine, a world where you are the source of power for all your energy needs. Thank you, and I'll take any questions. Oh, yeah.
Well, just one point of clarification on those figures you used about the amount of heat emitted from a body.
Mm-hmm.
That's for the total body, I would presume?
Yeah. On average, from every part of the body, like in all, it would be about 116 watts.
So how big is the piece that's going to collect the heat from the body, and what percentage of that total will that collect?
Well, it should collect, well, the surface area of one of these Peltier chips is about 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Mm-hmm. And so, well, the part of the body that produces the most heat is actually an inch from the navel. And so if you had a waistband around it that has this device in it, it'll take all the surface area, all the heat that has been placed into the surface area, it'll take and convert it into electricity due to the temperature gradient.
But will it create enough to really make a difference?
Yes, because it will be stored in, say, rechargeable battery, and your body produces body heat wherever, even when you're sleeping. So, and it'll be, and keeping a waistband around your waist or like something around your wrist, it's not very uncomfortable. So you'll always be producing electricity to power different objects.
But how long will you have to be on your body in order to power how much
okay,
of a cell phone use, for example?
It shouldn't take any longer. Wait, are you asking how long would it take to charge a device, or how long would it take to generate the electricity?
Well, if an hour worth of battery heat would run a cell phone for how many seconds? About.
It should have the same amount, because it should be an hour's worth.
I was just wondering if it would make sense to first target companies like Nike. You know, many of us are running, doing sports,
Mm-hmm.
we are generating heat. We're always worrying about the batteries, whether our electronics
Yeah.
will keep up with the pace.
Mm-hmm.
So wouldn't that be a, first application for you to consider?
It could be put in a sole of a shoe, and it could be generating a lot of power from sweaty feet, and it would generate a lot of heat and electricity. But primary targeted wouldn't be for shoes, but like if you kept it in shoes, it would still have the application to all the other devices.
I'm only saying that because if you got a quick success story, then the rest of the stuff would be more credible.
Right.
And this would appear to be the shortest path from where you are today to getting a testimonial that validates your case.
So do you have an actual working model that
Okay.
you've actually
So,
pulled heat from the
I
body?
had a working model, but the thing is, one of the wires, it got broken, and I didn't have enough time to get a new one, so I couldn't bring it today.
What I'm saying is, have you actually used it to put
Yes.
on your body and charged
Yes.
the device?
Well, it hasn't charged a device. I lit an LED, actually a series of LEDs, and different light bulbs.
From your
From
body?
just your body.
Okay.
Thank you very much.